Hi guys, my Tech Talks, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe from Belkin. This fast charger supports iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and the iPhone 13 mini, 13, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. I wish they made a 13 Pro mini. That would be awesome. I'd totally buy that. Okay, so this charger will run you 140 quid. So, ouch. But if you really want the best of the best and you can afford it and you just want something that's going to be reliable, that's going to work, and you just don't want to have to worry about it connecting or not charging overnight, then this is the thing for you. This is why I bought this and pre-ordered it at the Apple Store as well to collect it with my 13 Pro over there in Sierra Blue. Go check that video out. Go check my Twitter out and follow me on there too. Okay, like this video. Okay, so let's get right into it. Most other chargers are 7.5 watts, and this one, as you can clearly see, is a faster 15 watt MagSafe wireless charger. Now, you can charge 3 things at once. Let me say that again. You can charge 3 things at once. Your iPhone from iPhone 12 upwards, 2, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods or another phone. And I went for the black version. Let me get my unboxing knife real quick. Ding! Be careful around knives, especially young children. Okay. Oh, okay. Didn't need it. Okay, that's a bit sad. Okay, so question is, can you charge all 3 things with 15 watts? That's the question. Right. So I'm a bit surprised this wasn't sealed actually in the box. So it begs to differ if this has already been opened by someone before. Went to go get this at the Apple Store, right? And obviously being a Saturday, the iPhone was just, available yesterday, which was a Friday in the United Kingdom. Busy, you could say that, in Brighton, and plus there was a festival on the Saturday. So train on the way up there, me and my sis, yeah, we were just scratching our heads because, yeah, ouch, that was a lot of noise. And the people were getting drunk, not too much though. And put my Bose 700 headphones on, and I'm not gonna lie, they were good, but they're great at low noise. But when it comes to screechy people talking, shouting, that kind of thing, but they were better than nothing. 400 quid, ouch. So let's get this out. Is this adjustable? Is this adjustable? I don't know if it is or not. No, you cannot adjust the angle of these, but to be honest, why would you want to? Anyway, it's just for the desk. Okay, so it comes with a power cable actually, which is quite convenient actually. Make sure to keep everything if you are going to return, obviously. Comes with a little leaflet to tell you what to do, so I'll pause this right now. Okay, we're done with that. So what you do is, this cable goes in the back and this cable lies in the actual frame, so you don't have a cable sticking out. Only downside of having this kind of a cable is, if this entire thing breaks, you can't just replace like the brick or the cable. You have to buy an entire new unit, which is a bit annoying. Is that detachable? No, it's not. Pop that in like so. Once you plug it in, you've got a nice little cable hanging out the back, which is quite nice. There you go, it's a nice little cable. I'll show a B-roll. So you plug that in like so, and then let me just grab my iPhone 13 Pro that looks terrible already, smudged up. Can you not move that? Oh yeah. That's gonna stay on there. Okay, I'm just gonna be sure and put this phone like this. But as you can tell, like, oh, it's quite heavy. As you can tell, like that ain't coming off. So you can tilt it at any angle you may like, literally any angle. So landscape, vertical. I'm so glad I got this. You can also pop your Apple Watch on there, your Apple Watch SE for example, and as you know, you don't need to take the band off. There you go. Right there. And then you can have that at practically any angle as well. So let's take the film off for that. Yeah, not as strong as the actual cable, I don't believe, but it ain't gonna come off, is it? Let's be real. Okay, so that's all for that, and I'll show a bit of B-roll. Okay, so that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications while you're there, and yeah, follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you want to be part of those kind of things. So that's all. I've still got to set this iPhone 13 up because I've just recorded that unboxing video. That'll be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Let's do the little